Another set of headers that we can control, or we can say how we want them to appear in our graph, are the headers of the various axes. We have two axes, the horizontal one and the vertical one, and they may have a header that specifies what this axis represents. Here, for example, we see very clearly that the horizontal axis shows the different years, but I could tell it to show the title of the primary horizontal axis, which right now has none. So here it would show us a title of the axis. We could tell it that in this place it places the years of the data collection. With the data that we have that correspond to these years. Okay, the headers of the primary horizontal axis, we might have them below or none, we have said, or the primary vertical, which has various options. We could not put any or put vertically. Different possibilities, for example, if we put the title vertically, we see that the word that makes up this title of the axis is written vertically, but the letters are horizontal. Unlike the rotated title where the letters are put correctly, but we have rotated the entire word, and we have put it vertically. Eventually we would have the other option, which is to put the title horizontally. If the title is short, as in this case, it is enough. You can see it clearly enough, and it can be useful to use this representation. Lastly, we could not put any, or even we could have absolute control of all kinds of parameters, typeface, borders, styles, shading, etc., highlighting. There are a number of elements that could improve the presentation if we add to what is the presentation style of this kind of elements.